when it comes to smart devices and plumbing, it's becoming more common. We're quite often seeing continuous flow hot water heaters with wireless remotes that you can use to adjust the temperature of the water at the outlet without even having to touch the tap. You can preset these to the desired temperature. We're also seeing Wi-Fi connectivity in a lot of continuous flow units, which will allow you to do the same thing. Whether it be Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, we're also seeing this on heat pumps. So there are a lot more smart devices being integrated into hot water and into plumbing in general over time, and I'm sure we'll see more and more of it as time prevails.